Not by much though, and they're effectively just mirroring the pound versus the dollar and also the euro versus the USD, as traders are effectively just waiting and see what's going to happen with the US election in about 2 weeks time. That's effectively causing people not to take positions, which makes a lot of sense given the different policies that President Trump might introduce, or Mr. Joe Biden if he would win and become the next US president. But let's talk about the levels that are relevant. Who knows? Sometimes the market starts to moves ahead of big events. So I always keep my eyes peeled on the markets and the levels that are relevant for traders. Alright guys, this is the price of gold, and gold is up a bit. So we talked about buying in this dip here. You might remember the trend was bearish and I turned bearish from here. I made some very good money actually myself on this slide. And then the market went upwards, and sort of being bearish from here, you would have been just stopped out. And then the market went up again, and at that point I was forced to turn bullish, and now I am bullish. And we're up a bit, not by much, but we're up a bit. The market did slide a little bit more than I thought it would do. Which is not ideal, and I would actually adjust this now. Now if you bought, you bought, you know, this is perfectly fine, there's nothing wrong with that. You can probably just keep that position towards this high here. I think 1927 would probably a good spot where people are probably going to be booking profits on this, and then we might go a little bit higher, but I wouldn't get too enthusiastic about that. We're still sort of stuck in this big messy pattern, and you know, it's very, very difficult to say what's going to happen next, but we're going to have we're going to resolve this at one point, and why the election would probably be the best thing. It might also be the stimulus that could influence things. And if we do have a break out of these ranges, then yeah, that will be the beginning of something interesting. But again, let's not get too carried away with the election just around the corner. All right, here are silver prices, and silver prices are trading slowly higher. And last week we said, if I remember correctly, we said look to buy here, and just being bullish above this level here. Let's see if I can load that. So that is 22.79, and I still think we could go up higher. Of course, ideally one would already have bought and target something like 26, but then I think that's gonna probably be it. If we can go up just to 25.41, then that would be good for now. So we need to be paying very close attention to this, because it's a situation where it could just be a corrective move, and overall we can have more weakness heading forward. So for now, at least the way this looks like, it looks like this was a major high here in August, and we're sort of being guided lower and traded sideways within this massive pattern, which is not really a pattern, it's just things trading sideways. So I would be a bit cautious here, and if we take out 22.79, then we can probably trade all the way down to 21.69, and that's what I'm looking at here for silver prices and gold prices in the new week. Don't forget to subscribe, as well as the top comment. There you'll find a link to our premium trading course. You can check that out. It's free to get. The first hour is free, you just need to register. If you want the full course, you just need to sign up to a free ATFX account. The idea is very straightforward. When you start trading, you pay spreads, and that's how they make money, and that's why they can offer that for free. So check it out. I use the systems myself, and I've been using them for many years, and it's been working really good for me for a long time. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon.